we're going to make the cow. It's very similar to the way that we make the pig. We roll a ball of fondant. You need to make the head bigger than you actually think it's going to need to be, because you're going to have to cut the front piece off so you can fit the snout on flat. So that's the head. And then we're going to get our scalpel and we're going to cut that front piece off. And we cut the front piece off that. But when we glue it, they sit flush to each other. Now I'm just gluing the head on. I have a skewer to hold it there. Now the feet have actually got to be flat, so then we can put hooves on them. Now because these ones are going to be high, I would recommend you use some toothpicks to hold them in place. Tiny toothpicks, but toothpicks nevertheless that big. So we'll pop those in and then we'll glue them on. So I've put glue on all four and I'm just putting these little pink pieces of fondant on, which are going to look like the hooves. Now with a toothpick, I'm just going to put the nostrils in. Once again, if you have an edible marker, perfect. Otherwise you'll need to roll little balls of black fondant. Now we're making the horns for your cow, and you just want to roll tiny little long conical sausages, and then once you've got them and they're flat on the bottom, you can glue those on and point them in. Glue them on behind the eyes and then point them in like that. We find the easiest way to make the ears is roll a ball of fondant, put a little pink ball of fondant on the inside of that, press it down so it's almost out to the edge, then cut the whole thing in half. Now if you point them like that and then wrap them around the horns, they'll look really cute. All we need now is a few little black spots on our cow and we're done. They're less spots, more patches, I think. I find if I want a U-shaped patch, if you roll it into a sausage, shape it like the letter U, put it onto the cow and then press it down. Might have a bit of a patch on its leg. That's the cow done. Thanks for watching. So you don't miss out on any upcoming videos, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you click on the notification bell and you follow us on Facebook. Happy decorating!